put my brakes and keep up.
All right, as long as you don't post me talking in the car, it's probably embarrassing. I'm fine with it. As long as you don't post what I say in your videos.
That's all good.
All right. Let's see how you're doing there.
Okay.
Any turns you have more questions on, or?
Oh, that felt much better
Right,
that session. Oh, it was fantastic. But I'm still not sure of the line through. I don't know whether they're coming. Okay, there's that tight left-hander. I know you got to track out wide, but then right before that, do I swing way out to the left or not? And that I'm not sure yet.
You mean before the uphill?
I'll show you.
Drive 2 laps, and then I'll observe and I'll tweak it.
Yeah.
And you can try it out, see if you like it or not. So if you started in the morning, I think you would have been fine.
Yeah. I mean, this session was totally fine.
Yeah.
I had no issues. I don't know about my my tires now, but all right.
All right, John. First time I'm working with you, man.
Yeah, no, it's fun. Man, it's like I said, I'm addicted. 13th track day in 1 year.
Yeah, that's good.
Trying to be consistent.
Definitely want to stay to the right the whole time.
Say again?
Stay to the right the whole time.
Oh, there's somebody.
Stay to the right, all the way to turn 2. Okay, then. Just drive your line. Let me see what you're doing. Fight it a little bit, but the car doesn't want to get there. So you see this pavement, that's where I usually brush brakes. I usually brake softer than that.
So then here I'm coming in here, but I never make it all the way out here.
You have a car width away from that curving. Don't use that curving.
Don't use it?
Yeah,
oh,
brakes, but brake just brush, softer brake. I don't want to feel the seat post when I say soft. All the way to the left, all the way to the left, all the way to the left. Just very soft brake, soft, and then you get at throttle. When you get at throttle, it pushes you wide. You go more speed, and you have to curve brake in. You got curve brake, right? You just curve the brake.
Yeah.
Okay, good. I'll let you look for next. I turn my head here. So basically turn your head.
Yeah.
You want your left tire on that curving.
Yeah, that left one's kind of tight.
Yeah. I turn all the way to the left, right? Real quick, right? You get a minute.
Around 7.
Okay. Turn. One. Hey, what if they throttle? Go. Try to trail it a little bit.
Okay.
Start lifting with your toes every turn. Go, go, go. So we're inside. Stay inside, and we're gonna have to brake a little harder.
Yeah, I'm gonna pretend I'm just coming out of pit.
Yep. Okay. Bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up. Tighten it up. Tighten it up. Right tire on the curbing. First brake. Rush. That's too hard.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Wide. So side. All the way to the left. All the way to the left. Rush. Wide. You look at the second curving. A little bit second curving. Now you look towards the right side of the bridge. This is not the apex. The apex is around. Perfect. Turn your head. Try to trail brake that turn.
Okay. Well, yeah, full.
Trail brake is going to
Got it.
Okay, that's enough brakes. Close speed. Throttle. At the end of the curving, all right?
Yeah.
No, the car will be fine.
Didn't do that before, but I was trying to take more speed. Oh, I gotta hit that one better. Yep.
Look toward the white side. All the way to the left. Stop. Now get a throttle, go. Up to that curving, and then total brake. Go. Drag the brake to the apex.
Oh, it really rotates.
Catch it. Yeah, right.
Really rotates it. Yeah.
Go.
That really rotates it. My God.
Yes.
You just have to a little too much speed, but.
Oh, but a little massive for trail brake.
Yeah, I came off.
No, don't get off. You want trail brake to the apex. You want trail brake to the apex.
Oh.
What do you want the car turn?
Yeah, that was fun.
Tight.
That was super fun.
I want. Go. We're a little bit of one also. So let's turn this a little bit later. You can get it straight. Stop. Hit this curving. Unwind. Go. Much better, right? It's a little bit later for that.
Yeah, I think I got a little slow.
Stop. Half the car with the curving. Just one arc.
Oh, don't hit that.
Don't hit that. No.
Oh, that's different.
Turn. It's a much earlier turn than you think. A little to the left. Stop. Don't
Missed it.
Yeah, right. You don't want to add throttle when you're on this one. Drag it all the way to the top of the curving. Unwind. Much better, right? You feel like you have more control of the car?
Yeah, a little slow though.
Yeah, you have to optimize it.
Yeah.
Stop. Very speed, full speed. Have a little more throttle. When you go up in that throttle, a little bit of unwinding up the throttle. So up in front one, sort of really to the this is turning on the right. Easing off the brakes. Let's flip this curving. And on it. Half a car with you to the right.
I see.
Just push. Half a car length away from you're like 5 car lengths away from the right. Half a car away from the right.
Oh, okay, closer.
Yeah. Rush, turn. I'll turn in earlier. You're missing because it's turning way too late. All the way to the left.
That one I'm turning into late.
Rush.
Relax for right.
I'll tell you what to do. So.
I'll skip around.
All right. Stop.
Well, that's still, it's good. It's practice.
Yeah,
though.
we're still missing the
I
apex.
yeah, I missed the apex, but I felt that rotation.
Yes,
Which
that's
I've never
railroad.
felt. Yeah, that normal feel.
Yeah. Good. Try to go more in the middle towards the lower part of the track.
Lower part?
Lower to the middle, that's where all the camera is. Get on it, unwind, go, 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 go. I like that better.
Whoa, I rotated a lot
Yes.
with the trail brake.
Yes, they helped a lot.
Holy jeez. That's awesome.
Go, 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 go. Stop, 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 stop. Half a curve, go. Curve. Yes, 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 yes. The push it, bring it out. You can open it up a little bit, but like there. Alright. You feel better now?
Yeah, the trail brake is helping.
Yes.
It's rotating the car almost.
That's good. Time to pop it.
Sorry, there or
Stop,
something
stop,
like
stop,
that.
stop. See the back, you feel the back rotating, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Give brakes off first to the ball. First aim middle to the lower portion of it. Wind. I like the braking better now.
Oh, that trail brake was cool.
Yes.
That was good.
Just dragging a little bit. Just a little bit of weight.
Yeah. Right.
Stop, stop, stop. You can brake softer than one here. Bring it up. The one a little bit. Bring it. It's very soft brush. I usually trail brake it here, but I'm carrying enough speed that it makes sense to trail brake pretty close to the apex. But that.
Yeah.
You did that, right?
Yeah, I tried the trail brake on the last one on that one too.
So that felt pretty good this time.
It's addictive.
You can't trail brake now. You have to carry speed to trail brake.
Yeah.
When you hit for this car, it's a lot. You don't need the brake.
Okay, I'll stay a little lower.
A little bit lower.
Back here.
Brake up on here. Now, when the change of pavement is, where you use the brake. Stop. Right in front. Brake's turn. If you turn it early, you would hit that apex turn.
Should I turn it early now or no? Trail brake a little bit.
Yes. Yes, that was really good. And you got on the curve. Yeah, try turning early. I think you get my left tire all over the curve.
Missed it. But
You have the concept down.
yeah, I'm trying to feel and feather it.
And then put some time to get used to it.
Yeah.
All the way to the left. No problem. That was good, man.
Yeah.
First bike, your left to left are much better.
Yeah.
And the trail braking helps you turn in more, right?
Yeah, so I didn't realize how much thigh is. It's like I'm using my thigh, not my foot.
I usually like, well, I don't use my thigh.
Like I'm lifting.
Your braking in turn one was much better now. You were like stabbing at it before.
I see.
And now I'm telling you brake assertively and you're braking better.
You know, I have a little bit of loss of confidence in my brakes, so because of the oil.
And the reason why I keep reminding you soft off is you should be balancing the car a little bit more to help pull off.
Yeah, I see.
And you're also going up the hill, which helps.
Yeah.
But you don't want to get, when you get like throttle, the throttle will flip you off the outside. Alright, and this is your curb brake you turned in.
I'm going too slowly.
Yeah, well. But this is a turn where there's also a lot of runoff too. This turn.
I see.
Don't even brake here.
Yeah.
So I used to hear like 95 miles an hour.
Really?
Yeah.
Overall.
Well, was that helpful? Was it confusing?
That was
or
really
it
good.
helpful?
Yeah, no. I need help on the line.
Okay.
Little nuances.
So turn 5, you feel much more comfortable in turn 5?
Yeah.
That's the hardest turn in the track. And you have to carry the speed to trail brake in softly. And you feel the car rotate a little bit.
Yeah, that rotation was
And
fun.
it sets you up and then you hit the apex.
Yeah.
In turn 7, you have to time when you brake and when to turn.
Yeah.
But you get it. With the trail braking, it'll get you to the apex.
Right.
So trail braking is going to give you more grip in the front tires, which does the turning, and
Yep.
less grip in the rear tires, so the car turns more.
Yeah. Oh, that's great. No, these
No one
sessions-
touched your trail brake before? You had trail brake?
No, man. He was just teaching me straight.
No, that's
Turn.
bullshit.
Hold.
No one else taught you how to trail brake?
What's that?
No one else taught you how to trail brake?
I started talking about it on the most recent ones. He and I talked about it.
Talked about it. Were you doing it?
And his lesson was interesting. His thought was, you probably are doing a little bit of trail braking already. Just
Were you trail braking the way we just
not as aggressively as that.
Good.
Basically, that rotation that you like, I could tell I over rotated some.
Yep.
Under rotated
And
some.
your steering wheel to manage or something. When you over rotate, you catch it.
Yeah.
The steering wheel always goes where you want it to go.
Oh, that'll be interesting.
So
to
sometimes you see people go like,
Yeah. So that I've never felt that much over rotation, that much oversteer, or not oversteer.
Right.
Trail braking.
All right. So if it feels helpful, that's good. So just taking the steps.
Yeah.
Right?
No, that was great.
But you don't have to brake as much into turn 2. You don't have to brake as much into the bowl. I don't know if you got that from this session.
Yeah, no, that's helpful too. I've been setting it up for around 74 miles an hour, but
No, don't look at the speedometer for that. You sense speed by
your
coming at you.
yeah. Yeah, well, I used to probably come in slower, so that was helpful.
All right.
Oh, thank you.
You're at 12.6.
Are you gonna be okay in your last session on your own for B?
Oh yeah.
Okay, cool.
I did the one alone with before use.
Yeah, I know. Yes, you were fine. You were
And
fine
actually
aside.
it went fine, so I was nervous, but
You want to go around and go back
yeah,
here?
I just waited for this. Yeah, I just go this way.
Good job, John.
Yeah, no, thank you for coming in, and thanks for having faith in me, because I was so discombobulated
No, it's
in that
fine, it's
last
fine.
one, and I just felt.
I was trying to remember. I kept saying soft for 5. I'm just trying to get you not in the habit of getting a throttle, heavy throttle going into a turn. You don't want to be in heavy throttle going into a turn. Just gonna what you want to do.
Right. That's what yeah. That's always terrible.
Yeah. All right, man.
Thank you.
All right, can you take off the communicator?
Yep. Oh, that went well.
A new skill.
Yeah. You guys have to buy these, right?
What? Yeah, we have to